Welcome to the Florida Keys. The Florida Keys are known for long bridges, endless water views, beautiful sunsets, chickens roaming free, and laid-back living. But are they van life friendly? And can you travel there on a low budget? We're about to find out. Today we're kicking off a series of our time visiting this chain of islands at the southernmost part of Florida, and we hope you'll join us for the adventure. We're Steve and Audra, and we travel in our self-converted camper van with our furry companion, Lady Gray Gillespie Pinkerton. We're all about enjoying the beauty of nature and finding fun and interesting activities that don't break the bank. Hit that subscribe button and get ready for the ride. So we've stopped here at Tropical Park outside of Miami, basically just for a break in driving, and also because our fellow YouTube friend, fellow Thomas, has been here and seen parrots. So we're actually trying to see if we can see any parrots. So we just pulled in here. We don't have a lot of time, but we're going to go to the bathroom and just see what's around before we get back on the road to head further south. For the first time ever since we've been doing YouTube, we lost footage. In this video and the next, some of the footage from Steve's camera was lost in the transfer of files, so please bear with us, and we'll try to fill in the missing gaps. After going for a quick walk, checking out the park and the many activities it has to offer, and seeing some parrots fly by overhead, we got back in the van to head south. No shooting. Oh, there he is shooting.
It's certainly something you don't see every day. Guessing that's not an option to park tonight.
Probably not. So, it looks like we're in the agricultural area of Florida now. We just passed sugarcane fields, strawberry picking fields, and there were some wildflowers and sunflowers and corn. Very nice. So there is stuff growing everywhere here. That field right over there is full of papayas. So we're almost there, half a mile away. And this is what we find. So I wonder if that means that today we're not going to be seeing Robert is here. Huh. So a little bit of an adventure here. This is kind of sketchy back here. We weren't sure, the map said to come this way to get around to the stand. We weren't sure if it actually would connect. It didn't look like it, but I guess here's the dumping grounds for the people who live around here. A little bit bumpy. Oh my goodness. But it did connect. Oy.
A little bit of off-roading.
Oh. So where do we turn on? It says to keep going. Guess you can't turn here.
Take the next left on the State Highway 9336, then your destination will be on the right.
Robert is Here is a family-owned and operated fruit stand in Homestead, Florida that has become a tourist destination. The market specializes in rare and exotic fruits and vegetables, mostly grown on their farms. What we find special is that it all started when Robert was 6 years old and started selling cucumbers on the side of the road. On the first day, nobody stopped, so his dad made a large sign saying, "Robert is Here." Today his business has kept the same name, but has grown tremendously, and the land he farms has quadrupled. Robert now has a sizable building for his market, a menagerie of farm animals and exotic birds that you can visit, and live music on the weekend. Unfortunately, we lost a lot of footage from our time at Robert is Here. Robert himself often works at the counter, as he did during our visit. He helped me pick out some fruit, explained how to know when it was ready to eat, and then checked us out, calculating all the costs old school with a pencil on a brown bag. But they do accept credit cards. Goodness, birdies. You are noisy. What are you doing, huh? Hi, pretty baby. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. What, you want me to look at you instead? Huh? You want me to look at you instead? Huh? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Huh? Are you a pretty boy? Huh? Are you a pretty boy? Hi, baby. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird. What are you doing, huh? What you doing, huh? What you doing, goat? Huh? What you doing, goat? Huh? Hi, buddy. If you're heading to the Keys, we definitely recommend a stop at Robert is Here. It's a great stopping place before making your way down Route 1. Oh, hi, dude. Hi. Isn't he funny? The accident we saw when we came in is still happening over there. The cops are all still over there, so we're not sure what happened. We don't really know much about this area other than that there's a Cracker Barrel somewhere in the vicinity that we're going to stay at tonight, if we can. In the meantime, we're just going to try to find a shopping center or something where we can make dinner and try some of this guanabana. So we'll see what we can find here. So we're just going to go straight to the Cracker Barrel. Yes.
All right, home sweet home.
You ready to eat some grub?
Let's do it.
There are our neighbors for the night. Alright, so we have our collection of special fruit here. We spent a little over $16, I think, which is quite a bit, but I think this is special just to try these different things that we'll probably never have again. So the one that's ripe that we're going to have tonight is guanabana. That's what we tried already when we were at the fruit stand. I think it's amazing. I put it in my mouth. And at first I was like, and then all of a sudden it was like this explosion of flavor. It almost tastes like a combination of different fruits. Then we have the star fruit, which we've had before, but he just gave it to us so we could try one that he thought was more ripe. And then I think what we have are black sapote, I think is how you say it. It's supposed to taste like chocolate pudding. And it's already like super soft. You're supposed to let it get black and to start leaking before you try it. So it'll be interesting to see what we think. And then this is called, I believe, canistel. And it's supposed to taste like a sweet custard. So it's already a little bit soft right here, but he said the whole thing should be like really soft butter. Like really, really soft. And he said even after that, wait another day. So we can't have those two yet, but we're gonna have some of the passion, no, not the passion fruit, the guanabana now and some of the star fruit. I'm trying to think of what it tastes like. I think it tastes a little bit like mango. You'll have to see what. It definitely reminds me of different fruit, but I can't like identify it. Maybe some pineapple? What do you think?
It tastes. I think it tastes like Tuesday.
That's weird because today's Monday.
It's good.
Do you think it tastes like mango at all? I feel like,
Boy, it's tough to put your finger on what it really tastes like.
I bet it tastes like guanabana. I feel like maybe some guava.
Tonight's game of choice, Cabo, the elusive unicorn card game.
So, Steve and I are going to call it a tie at Cabo tonight. And now I'm going into Cracker Barrel to the bathroom. I don't like to do that, but I need to do that tonight. And then I'm going to take the kitty for a walk.
So what she's really saying is she's got to go big potty. All right, well, we had a nice time today driving south, checking out Robert Is Here and all that had to offer. It's a fun little place.
It's around 8:30 and we're pretty much settled in for the night. We're going to use our phones to do some reading and probably watch some stuff and get some sleep. And then tomorrow we are going to head south to Key Largo. So make sure you tune in next time to see all that fun.
We'll see you then. Thanks for watching.
Bye. So we just pulled in here. We don't have a lot of time, but we're going to go to the bathroom and just see what's around before we get back on the road to head further south. We're going to go to the bathroom? We're going to the bathroom now.
I'm going to go twice just to make sure.
Maybe a third time, who knows. Alright. Alright, so it's around 8:30. We're getting settled in. We're going to probably use our phones to read and watch some stuff and then go to bed. So we'll see you in the morning.
Have a good night. So, if you read between the lines, she's got to go big potty.